So here's another review, and I've been crazy about EDCs lately. I've been an EDC fan before, or an everyday carry fan before. I stopped because I stopped going out, and I lost a couple of my tools. So I remember I bought this one. I think I've reviewed this already on my channel. It's the Spigen keyring for AirTag and for universal tags. And then I also bought this one, which I'm about to review later on, which is sort of long keyring or keychain and tag, which is auto removable in this area. So when I use this for my car, I can just use this one here, then have it on my hips back with a simple click. And then I also reviewed this one here. I think I'm gonna post it later. It's the Gerber clip, right? I think I've done the review of this, and I'm gonna just upload it. And then this one is a Trustfire flashlight, which is I'm gonna review as well. It's pretty small. Look at my fingers. And then yes, my key fob. And today a few Gerber stuff also arrived, and it's from their essential everyday carry or EDC. They call it GDC. It's a Gerber Daily Carry, and you can hear my ringtone going on fire. It's Monday, so I do have a lot of work. I'm gonna go make this a silent mode in the meantime. All right, so yeah, the first one I'm gonna open up is what they call the legendary. It's a pretty old product, but they call it the clutch. So yeah, even the box is old, as you can see here. Pretty old box. It arrived today. There are many fakes of this one, but I ordered from Gerber themselves. And this one is called, again, the clutch. So the clutch is, they have several versions of this, but generally it has this turning ring right here. I'm just gonna get my light. It's a little dark, so give me a second to add my fill light here. Right, so as you can see here, it's pretty much yeah, with the logo. So a fake one would not have the logo. They have the quick detach here for the ring or the key ring. It's pretty heavy, so I think it's good for bags, not for your hips. So you just push this, and then you can quickly remove and use the item, right? The GDC. So you just turn it. They have the phillips screw. They have the flathead screw. They have a bigger phillips screw. It's pretty tight, and many have reviewed this, but I'm doing a one-off review, and I will title this review as EDC for Gerber or GDC. Which is what they say here on this box, which is a better box. I mean, it's not called a box, it's the container that it has in. So it's Gerber Daily Carry, and this one is called Zip Blade. So it attaches to your zippers. As you can see here, there's a quick removal stuff like I show you earlier, and then this fine edge utility blade. So this one is the utility blade. There are a lot of fakes of this one, so just be careful on purchasing without the logo, and the build quality is really different. I think some China manufacturers already copied this, so I'm not saying that it's bad to buy those things, but at the same time, if you want the original one, then just make sure you get the original one. So sometimes it appears like the original, but it's not. And be careful about the blade because it's pretty sharp. I'm also being careful in opening this stuff. Same thing here with the same edge right here, still removable. And this is the blade, which as you can see is pretty sharp, so be careful in using it. And yeah, it's a push lock mechanism. So when you do it like this, it's gonna lock itself, right? And it's pretty sturdy. And then you just push this knob here back, so you can pull it back again, and then you can store it like that, right? So basically both of them look and the size are similar. This one is a little taller, right? This one, It's also heavily built than this one, but at the same time they look pretty awesome, right? So I'm gonna add it to my daily carry stuff, but generally, yeah, I just don't know how it's gonna weigh down all of my stuff here, because this one is already heavy. So if I had it here, it's gonna be pretty heavy as well. So I don't know how to be able to set this up later, but I will. But just making sure that, yeah, I have it on me daily. So alright, that's the review for now. Just keep liking and subscribing to my channel, and share it with your friends. Okay, thanks for watching.